every single one of our plays that we swung from yesterday, AMD, Square, and Starbucks are all hitting today. So we're going to be taking profit on all of them right at open. Personally, what I would do is take profit on Nicholas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see what the spread looks like really quickly when market opens. If it's not that bad, then I'm definitely just going to do a market order. Kevin, I'm probably going to be doing market order on these. I just want to get out quickly because we don't know what the market's going to do. So I have my first one open right now. So I'm starting with Square, and then I'm probably going to go Starbucks and then AMD. Sorry, I paused the screen share with you guys really quickly. So because my mobile app isn't working right now on Charles Schwab, so I'm just using the Charles Schwab app. Sweet, guys. GK, it doesn't really matter which one that you sell first because both of them are going to sell. So I don't think it probably matters which one you sell first. Right, GK, but your overall total is a gain. So it's not like you lost one and gained one because they're all one position once when you average down, if that makes sense. Oh, wow, guys. Looks like AMD is bouncing off of that same resistance that we were looking at either earlier. Once again, guys, I took profit on every single one of my contracts. But let's go, guys. Cade, nothing much, man. All three of my swings overnight hit, so that's very nice. For sure, Matt. If you guys could send the profits in the profit section, that would be awesome. Can the rest of you guys see my screen? Because I think I'm sharing it right now. White out. It's white. Okay. Let me stop sharing with you guys really quick and retry it. Can you guys see it now? Oh, geez, you guys still can't see it. How about now? Now can you guys see it? Ah, sweet. There we go then. Well, guys, that's a good day to start the or that's a good way to start the day. I guess all three swings hitting. I guess that's making me what is it? If I was 6 for 6 on Tuesday, Wednesday I just took profit on QQQ, making me 7 for 7. Then all three of these hit today. So 10 for 10 today, guys. Yeah, Kevin, we're always going to wish that we let our plays run out more when they continue going the way we want them to. Exactly, GK. That would be your average on the play. Nice, guys. I love seeing all of your plays come in the profit section. That makes me really happy, guys. Sweet, guys. Okay, so one thing that I'm thinking about, guys, that would be a day trade for sure, but it would be AAPL calls. Um, Let me give you guys a bit longer time frame candles here. But as you guys can see, we just broke this resistance right here. We probably have room right around to 323 or so. I just hate how overvalued I feel like it is right now. So maybe we won't do that right now. Geez, guys. Well, that makes it really nice to start trading today. Let's see if we can continue to grow these profits here. Hmm. It looks like QQQ might end up going on a run here. High RSI though. I think the bouncer break of 56.68 is something that we're going to want to play on AMD here, right? So I think we're going to watch this pretty closely here with the consolidation. If it breaks this 56.68, we're going to be hopping in calls. If it touches it and bounces off, we're probably going to scalp puts. The higher probability play is probably the break of it. But, you know, we'll do what the market gives us.
Wow, Facebook kept on going up, huh? That's wild. Mhm. Phantom, I personally, I would say you should probably be taking profit on that just because, I mean, just looking at Facebook, very overvalued. Like, look at the RSI here, all of that stuff right now. It's jumped a bit too much for my liking. So I would personally suggest taking profit. However, oh, you did. Nice, man. Well, that's good that you made some money. What just broke the channel, Brian? Oh, AMD puts. Definitely rejected off of it. True. I guess that's true. The bot did give me two of those plays. So maybe I would call it 7 out of 7. But it was still my own intuition that got me into those plays. I still got into them on my own. So all right, guys, let's start looking at premiums for AMD. This will probably be a day trade here. Wait, Cade, why didn't you take profit when I signaled to? No, that's an L, Cade. What, Hannah? That's an L. I'm sorry. So what I'm looking at right now, guys, is 529 $55 puts on AMD. Jonathan, we haven't entered it yet, but what I'm looking at is AMD 529 $55 puts. Let me see what I sold it for. SQ. I sold it for 3.9 Phantom. Why is that? What'd you sell your SQ at? Yeah, Jesse, the AMD put will probably be a day trade. My plan on this AMD put here is I'm gonna buy, multiples of 3 of the contract, right? So, 3 contracts or 30 contracts, 300 contracts, whatever. I'm going to take profit on one very quickly. We're gonna let one ride out until we would normally take profit, and then the third one we're gonna hold indefinitely. Okay, I'm gonna enter into these AMD puts as soon as it breaks the 200 moving average. Oh, I was just saying, once when AMD breaks the 200 moving average is when I'll probably hop in. AMD 529 $55 puts, most likely, guys. What am I supposed to be explaining, Phantom? I don't. Or are you talking about how I sold SQ first, then Starbucks, then AMD? Yeah. So it's basically just because I had the most in Square, and then the second most in Starbucks, and then the third most in AMD. So Pat, basically when we're trading options, if we buy a call, that means that we want the underlying stock to go up. But if we buy a put, we want the underlying stock to go down. Oh, Pat. Okay, so it was a $529 $55 puts. Yeah, exactly, Phantom. I took profit by what made the most profit to what made the least amount. Looks like AMD's having a time trying to break this 200 moving average here. Jesse, how bad are your commission fees? Oh my gosh, $13 an option. Oh, thank you, Phantom. Geof, I would say simple moving average and exponential moving average are both good. I think it's all most of it's pretty much just preference of the trader. The signal bot was kind of on a nap yesterday. Didn't really give us much in terms of signals. Hopefully it gives us a little bit more today. Yeah, the market did take a nap yesterday. Ooh, Lulu's at an important point right here. We'll keep an eye on it. That'll probably be a swing trade to the downside. Ah. Hmm. Yeah, QQQ did take a dump, Phantom. Once again, let's see if it'll AMD will break through the 200 moving average here. Wow. Looks like AMD is respecting the moving average a lot, guys. Look at how it just bounced right off there. Guys, let's do something here. This is going to be a very high risk play. So please don't put a lot of your account in it. Like I'm literally going to have 1% of my account in it. If you have a smaller account, then don't get in this at all. And if this doesn't work out, then I don't want to hear any complaining. I'm thinking 0605. Maybe 0605, $78 calls on Etsy. Everyone. Our stop loss is going to be this trend line right here. Yeah, good idea, Kevin. Once again, Etsy will be most likely a swing trade, guys. Ooh. AMD bounced off the 200 moving average again. Guys, I'm not even going to signal the Etsy play in the regular chat just because it's too high risk, and I know too many people are going to go crazy about it. Yeah, the Etsy one was 0605, $78 calls. Yeah, exactly, Phantom. So basically, guys, our rationale here in getting in these Etsy play is Etsy's been on a long-term uptrend here. Go to like a 30-minute candle here. You can see that pullback here. Bounce off of this pretty sketchy trend line. But looks like it's probably rounding out here. So that's the rationale. That's why it's super high risk, is because, yeah, it's not really any set play or pattern or anything like that. So let's get ready for these AMD puts though, guys. I'm looking at the 529, $55 calls, and the premium is going to be right around 1.18, 1.19. Oh, sorry, I meant puts. That's my bad. Thanks, Kevin. Walmart may be approaching an entry point for a quick scalp, guys. Yeah, it's probably actually it's really not enough reward versus the risks that we would be taking. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see if it holds below here and then. It's kind of interesting here how AMD is stuck in between the 50 moving average and the 200 moving average. I think it's pretty cool, personally. Ferrari, I will get back to you on that once when we decide whether or not we're hopping into AMD, and once when the market's possibly a bit slower here. Exactly, Silver Snarfer. So basically, with it being above the 200-day moving average, it still has that line of support there, keeping it from dropping. So basically, what we're doing here is we're just waiting for it to drop below the 200 moving average before we get in, just because it's a safer play that way. Oh, this might be the time, guys. Let's see how it reacts. Yeah, bounced again. AMD is starting to get more bearish here. We see that it's making, those lower highs on AMD. So happy about that. If you guys can maybe see it a bit better here, we're looking at, AMD is kind of starting to make less and less progress to the upside every time it bounces. So does Tesla follow QQQ? Most definitely not. It's like a cult stock. That's what I like to call them, cult stocks. It's kind of crazy. People get in and out for no reason. It's kind of a meme. Tesla. Yeah, that's pretty much it, Kevin. Well, we always want to pay the least that we can for an option, Alex. So I'm assuming that answers your question for you. Before you do that, though, Kevin, we all got to make sure to go all in into Tesla puts. Oh, but Sam, we're totally joking. We aren't actually going to short Tesla. Nah, I don't play Tesla. Tesla's Isaac's thing. Too risky for me. Wait, Kevin, Schwab just updated? Yikes. My app is chilling. Looks like Kroger's still in this symmetrical triangle. Cool. It may squeeze out today. Right where my cursor is right here is the end of the day today on the charts. Dude, I know, Buzzo. The past month, huh? Oh, let's see. I guess we start April 21st. I wouldn't say that it's been doing that for the past month, you know? Like once again, it dipped all the way down to 48.98 here, 51.38 here. So yeah, I would say MFA is decent. MFA is just kind of like a very high risk but very high reward type of scenario. And the way that I look at it is that the reward very highly outweighs the risk. I agree. You could look into some like recovery mutual funds, something like that, depending on how much money you're planning on putting into these. Yeah, guys, our Etsy calls are actually kind of printing. I'm not gonna lie. Doing good. Oh, there goes AMD. Uh, hmm. You know, guys, I'm actually gonna wait on AMD. Um, we can maybe even see if it breaks this trend line here, but the more I'm looking at this, the more it's kind of breaking down from the original trend that I was hoping to play. So we'll stay out of there for now. Jeez, look at how flat the market is right now, guys. So generally when you're looking at how much you're going to get paid for your dividends, you want to be looking at not the how much money they're going to be paying you, but instead what percent. Ooh, the bot gave an alert. Let's check this out, guys. Signal long. I guess, I'm going to hop into this. The bot's been right so far, so I'm getting to the bot call out. Wait, what was the keys? 23.3. Yeah, guess why the hell not? Yeah, give me a sec here, guys. Maybe I'm not going to get into this. I'm just looking at the RSI right now, and it's like very, very high. So maybe wait it out a little bit. That's good. I'm just going to super light, guys. Dow, 529, $24 calls. But once again, I mean, I don't, yeah, okay, we'll just do it. Whatever. I'm going super light. Like I'm literally getting like 2 contracts. So literally nothing. Did you really Phantom? That's awesome. They were a Dow 529, $24 calls. Bassam. Nice, Hannah. Yeah, Phantom gave you the correct call out, Bassam. Anybody want to acknowledge how choppy and stupid the markets are acting right now? Geez, those Etsy calls that we got into are actually doing really well, guys. Let's go. Oh, geez, Bassam. That's awesome. Guys, I was planning on holding these Etsy calls a bit longer, but I'm kind of chilling right now with how much we've made so far on them. What is it? Maybe what is that? 10%? Yeah, exactly, Phantom. That's what everybody does to me in the chat, and it's the most annoying thing ever. But yeah, guys, let's go with let's take profit on Etsy. I know it's not a lot. I was planning on holding them a bit longer, but you know, you guys can feel free to hold it. Um, I personally took profit. I think it was around 10% profit, guys. Once again, if we retest this again, I'm thinking maybe we come down from here, retest again, and then push. I'll get back in at the retest. Yeah, for sure, GK. It's kind of up to you guys. You know, this is kind of just a speculatory trade for me, you know, thinking, you know, it's been on an up run for a really long time, drop down, get in at the trend line, whatever. I took profit personally. But oh, is Dow doing good? Oh, cool. How's the volume on it though? It's decent. Oh no, Hannah, you're good. You're good. It was definitely a high risk play. Like I said, like I literally went like I think I had like two contracts in it, you know, and that's like a very small percentage of my account. So yeah, I had 1% of my account in it. So yeah. Awesome guys. Well, Dow is kind of pushing, I guess. I don't even know what I got in it at, but it seems to be doing okay. You know, I feel like I underestimate this bot, guys. I always am like, nah, it's a bot. I'm just gonna do like a couple contracts, you know, not go heavy in it because it's a bot, right? I don't trust it. But every single time this bot has taught me wrong. Not gonna lie. That's true, Kevin. That is true. Huh. Dow is still handing out dollar bills. Kevin, how many Arizonas has Dow made you so far? 8 Arizonas. It's better than 0 Arizonas, I will say. Easy. Yeah, guys, we're definitely gonna play this break on Walmart just because, as we can see, it turned into another resistance today. Hmm. I'm deciding whether or not to take profit on Dow. But Sam, whenever you are comfortable with your profits, you should sell it. Once again, the bot doesn't tell you when to sell. So that kind of turns into a problem sometimes. Ooh, and it's right at a pivot point right now, guys. Like 23.6. Yeah, if it takes 23.6, we probably got room. If it bounces, though, I'll take profit. Yeah, exactly, Phantom. That's a good mindset. What is a Firefly, Eric? Sweet dude, that sounds so good. Have you had a twisted tease? My average on Dow was 0.84. Dude, Eric. So you know like a Arnold Palmer, right? You do the tea and the lemonade together. Yeah. Well, if you go with the twisted teas and then the Mike's Hard lemonades together, that's where it's at. Oh geez, Dow is pumping, pumping. Bruh, I should have gone heavier. I'm up I think a little more than 10% per contract right now. Pina coladas are good. Whatever, Buzzo. You and your trash Weeble or whatever you use. I hope you guys know that I'm just messing with you, Buzzo. Hmm. I'm deciding whether or not to TP here. I figure there's no reason to not hold it, right? I mean, yeah, it is hitting good. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take profit, guys. Yeah, yeah, I'm taking profit here. Ooh. Well, that was some nice cash. The bot did us well. Oh, you use Charles Schwab, Buzzo? Oh. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, the bot did well. Yeah, that Dow bot was fire. Yeah, 12% gains. Whoa, 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 Kevin. You guys don't get the same comedy that you do when you're playing calls with me. Oh, guys, by the way, if you can send profit from that Dow bot, that would be awesome. Yeah, Phantom, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's the beauty of having a bigger account. Your quick scalps actually make you quite a bit of money. Yeah, Bassam, that was pretty much me too. Like I went super light in that Dow. I think I probably should stop sleeping on the bot a little bit though. This thing's fire. Anyway, guys, bounce or break right here. Oh, okay. I see you, AMD. Well, too bad we didn't enter those puts earlier. Yeah, exactly, Armand. I think it's just a support or resistance. Hmm. Let's go with those 529 $54 puts. Oh, oh snap. SPY puts are coming up too, guys, by the way. All right, guys, 529 $54 puts on AMD. Um, we're literally waiting to enter just to make sure that it bounces off of this here. That's literally all we're waiting for. SPY is at a key support right now as well. It's going to be puts in AMD. And it looks like it didn't bounce off. So let's see how the market reacts here, though. But some AMD will probably be a bit cheaper of a play, but you know, sweet guys. I'm gonna hop in these AMD puts here. So I'm in AMD puts now, guys. And I am also getting ready to enter SPY puts. I'm looking at SPY 526, 294.5 dollar puts. Great, guys. I'm in a SPY 526, 294.5 dollar puts. All right, guys, I'm taking profit on 1/3 of my AMD here. Actually, I'm going to take profit at 2/3 here. I'm just going to have one running. Yo, what's up, Kev? Kevin, are you a dude? Guy or a girl? Oh, okay. Dude, there's some Kevins that are girls, man. I don't know. Anyway, though, if I did find interest in men, I would kiss you. However, sadly, I do not. And I have a girlfriend. Oh, you have socks on. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I disgust myself. Dude, by the way though, guys, if any of you guys live in Colorado, we should definitely hang out. We could link up, maybe we could trade together. That would be fun. No way. What are you going to Fort Collins for? Nice. Dude, my Charles Schwab app is running so slow right now. What is going on? Hannah, what broker are you using? Hmm. Dude, are you joking me? Schwab is absolutely the best broker out there in terms of fills. Hands down, the best broker for fills. It's definitely not user friendly, but once when you get used to it, it's amazing. Well, you click on your option, right? And then you go sell to close. You type in the quantity that you want to sell and then market order or limit order, whichever one you want to do. And then day only, and then review order, and then place order. So you have to go under your positions. Hannah, you can also type in, you can hit trade and you can type in the exact option that you bought and you can sell it there as well. Hmm. Hannah, are you using desktop or are you using your phone? Yeah, true, GK. Isn't the price improvement amazing? And I mean, it doesn't add up to much when you're using like a smaller account. But when you're in a bigger account, man, like $2 per contract is so much money. It's insane. Mm. Yeah, Alex, I kind of took profit on most of AMD already. I already took profit on 2/3 of it. So definitely a bit late. Yeah, it was a nice gainer though. By the way, guys, now is definitely the time to probably take profit on AMD. Yeah, Westland. Like I said, I just posted to take profit on AMD. Hannah, I'll literally just type in, Hannah, go to trade and type in the exact option that you bought and just hit sell to close and then whatever amount you want to sell. Chris option, I'm still in SPY right now. Um, it's testing that support again. Basically, I'm just watching it to see what happens here. Um, hey, Phantom, thank you for doing that, man. GK, what are you talking about, dude? Oh, you're doing that personally. Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, it's a decent idea. I think AMD still probably has a lot of room to run to the downside, but it's up to you, man, honestly. LOL GK. Oh, yo, what's up, Kev? Hey, that's good, man. Happy for you. We're seeing some consolidation here on SPY, by the way, guys. We're seeing like this sort of thing going on right now on SPY. Just classic consolidation here. LOL, Cade. I'm reading your mind. Nothing much, Jafet. Have made a lot of money so far today. I'm thinking so all three of our swings hit. What else did we even get into today, guys? We got into Dow. That hit. Got into AMD and that hit big time. The AMD one absolutely printed money. And we're currently in SPY. Oh, that's right. Etsy too. Etsy was kind of like a YOLO play though, but we made some really good money off of that as well. I think a solid like 5 or 10% on Etsy. So all in all, a really good day. Actually, though, this is probably one of the best trading days I've had in a while in terms of like percentage of my account. And that's mostly just because I was a bit heavier in the swings and all of those hits. So we're in SPY puts right now, just trying to find a time to take profit personally. Yeah, I sold AMD. Sellouts? Jafet, I'm not quite sure what you're asking here. Oh, so if you're trying to open a new position, then you want to be buying puts, right? To open a position. And then when you want to get rid of them, you sell them. You're good, man. No worries. Did SPY change? No, we're just looking at consolidation right now, Phantom. Silver Snarfer, this consolidation basically means that there's indecision. SPY doesn't know which way it wants to go. Generally, when you see consolidation like this, though, it generally continues on the pattern that it was on. Cade, why is what? Also, we're at support at 295.74 here. So we just need to break that and then we're golden on SPY. Just a heads up, guys. I may be looking to sell to close SPY here really soon. Oh, nice SPY. Oh. You're good, Hannah. You still get out with profits at least? Oh, that's good. By the way, for all of you guys that took profit on that AMD play, please, please, please send profits in the profit section. It would be much appreciated. Yeah, that would be nice, Phantom. By the way, though, guys, I'm currently 11 for 11. SPY may make me 11 for 12 or 12 for 12, I guess. But that's just the level days. No, Brian Lee, we're still in SPY. Nice. If we're gonna cut losses, though, now is the time. Cade, man, I can't cater to you guys, you know what I mean? I think the whole idea of this Discord is I trade how I would normally trade, and I just take you guys along with the ride, you know? But yeah, for sure. I'm still holding SPY for a little bit here. I just want to see how it reacts. Oh, 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 oh. LOL, guys. Nice SPY. All right, I'm gonna take profit here on SPY, guys. Please. All right, guys, take profit. Nice, guys. Let's go. Easy money, guys. Wow, guys, looks like I'm on another hot streak. 12 for 12. Huh. I will definitely take that. I was, because I was actually, yeah, Phantom. I was actually about to cut losses right here, and then I decided to let it go a little bit longer. And here's where we are now. I'll take it. Ah, shoot, but that's an L. I'm sorry, man. Heck yeah, guys. Hey, send the profit pictures from AMD and Spy. Heck yeah, I do Phantom and Armand. I haven't missed in the past 3 days at least. Let's go, guys. Do it, bro. Please do it. It is. It's still profit. Yeah. Well, Hannah, I'm glad that your first trade with us was a success. Happy about that. I've been on a hot streak lately. Yeah, for sure. Alexandria. Well, guys. Dude, let's go, Cade. Happy about that, man. I am definitely looking for more plays. You wish you put the opposite of what, Wesleyan? Oh, okay. Gotcha, Jafet. Good to know. Good to know. Well, I mean, it looks like we could have held on to those a bit longer, but as they say, nobody loses money taking profits. So unless you have like 20 commission fees. Ooh, we maybe got one last play in us for the day, guys. You're up $200 today, Kevin. Let's go, man. That's really good. Hmm. Starbucks is definitely in the formation to play to the downside here. I guess it did pay off, Kevin. Ooh. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, what is Lulu doing? Good thing we didn't enter Lulu. Oh yes, Kroger. I forgot about this one. I don't feel like playing something as stressful as Kroger though, so we'll probably pass on Kroger. Also, guys, looks like we took profit at the perfect time on Dow. Same with Etsy. Jafet, not at the moment, no. I will let you guys know though. Hmm. Anyway, guys, I think I may sign off a Zoom for today. I want to make myself some breakfast and stuff. So, yeah, great Zoom session, guys. What did we do today on the Zoom session? Hold up. So, what plays did we get into in the Zoom session? We took profit on AMD, Dow, Starbucks, SQ. Um, oh, and then we had that. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Those are all the ones we played today. So we got into 4 trades today and we took profit on all of them. Let's go, guys. Also, I'm still going to be signaling a little bit today if I see anything. You know, I'm still going to be trading. But I'll let you guys know. Dude, let's go, Kev. Happy for you. All right, see you guys. You know, I'll do another. What is today? Thursday? Yeah, I'll do one more tomorrow, I guess. Um, well, Kevin, I'm sure this gave you a little confidence boost going into that AP exam. Good luck, guys. Have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow on Zoom.